Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix account sync issues across PCs in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your account has syncing issues across your PCs. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to simply open your settings app here. Now once you are in settings, just go to accounts, go to your info, and you gotta make sure that you have selected the same Microsoft account and all your PCs. You have to make sure that you're logged in with the same account. Then go to accounts here and just scroll down, go to Windows backup, click on it. Now once you're in backup, you have to make sure that you have enabled remember my apps if you want to get quick access to your apps on any device. Then click on remember my preferences and you can select all your preferences here because it might be that you haven't enabled this toggle for any special documentation like your special syncing settings for like accessibility here or accounts or Wi-Fi networks or your personalization settings or your language preferences, dictionary or under other Windows settings. So you have to make sure that you enable this toggle and enable all of these from here. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. You have to also make sure that your OneDrive is syncing on your PC, or you can also try to check out your OneDrive here. So once you have selected, once you have done all of these steps, your issue will be fixed. Your window will sync your data across all your PCs. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.